Have you ever wondered how some educators manage to captivate their students, effortlessly guiding them through complex concepts and engaging discussions? It's no magic trick, but rather a set of specific skills that they've honed over time. Today, we delve into these essential teaching skills and explore how they can transform the learning environment. First off, we have the skill of explaining. This is the cornerstone of any educator's toolkit. It's not just about regurgitating facts, but making complex ideas accessible and understandable. It's about breaking down concepts into manageable chunks, using analogies and real-world examples to bring them to life. Next, we move on to the skill of questioning. This isn't about grilling students with a barrage of queries, but strategically using questions to stimulate thought, encourage engagement, and assess understanding. It's about asking the right questions at the right time to ignite curiosity and deepen learning. Then we have the skill of varying instruction. This involves mixing up teaching strategies to cater to different learning styles and keep students engaged. It may involve incorporating multimedia resources, hands-on activities, group work, or independent study into the learning journey. Next in line is the skill of reinforcing learning. This is about providing positive feedback that acknowledges progress, encourages effort, and motivates continued learning. It also involves revisiting key concepts to reinforce understanding and retention. We then move on to the skill of initiating learning. This involves setting the stage for learning by sparking interest, activating prior knowledge, and setting clear, achievable objectives. It's about creating a conducive learning environment where students feel motivated to learn. Next, we come to the skill of concluding lessons. This is about summarizing key points, addressing any remaining questions, and setting the stage for future learning. It's about wrapping up the lesson in a way that consolidates learning and leaves students eager for more. Then we have the skill of facilitating discussions. This is about guiding students through meaningful dialogues, encouraging diverse perspectives, and promoting critical thinking. It's about creating a safe space where students feel heard, valued, and challenged. Finally, we have the skill of managing the classroom. This is about creating a respectful, inclusive, and orderly learning environment. It's about setting expectations, managing behaviors, and ensuring that every student has the opportunity to learn. To summarize, effective teaching is not about one single skill, but a combination of many. It's about explaining concepts in ways that resonate, asking thought-provoking questions, varying instruction to cater to different learning styles, reinforcing learning through positive feedback, initiating learning in engaging ways, concluding lessons with clarity, facilitating meaningful discussions, and managing the classroom with respect and inclusivity. So, the next time you find yourself captivated by an educator's ability to engage and inspire, remember that it's not magic, but the result of honing these essential teaching skills. Because at the heart of effective teaching is not just knowledge, but the skillful application of it.